Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont, founder of i30 Media Corporation and author of the Lee Media book, blog, and video channel, available from leemedia.org. Today I will be talking about changing the homepage collection using the Shopify app for your Shopify store. Disclaimer, you are responsible for following certain terms and conditions and rules of Shopify, and it's also possible for you to lose money. Do this at your own risk. Okay, so let's get going on our Shopify store, and let me show you what my Shopify store looks like. So this is my Shopify store, and you can see I have various products on there. And what I want to do is I want to change the collection that appears on the Shopify store to my holiday collection. And this is important because my holiday collection has different products. Maybe there's some different prices. Maybe there's some special products, and maybe there's some special decorations for the artwork that I use on those products, and I want to get people in the mood for holiday shopping. So here's my ordinary homepage collection. Let's go to the Shopify app and make some changes. Okay, so here we are in the Shopify app. This is for iOS. The Android app actually looks quite similar. And what we want to do is tap on the store icon. This is in the lower right corner. So if you don't see this, tap on the store icon and you should see something like this. And what I'm going to do is tap on online store. That's kind of right above where it shows the pictures of what the store looks like using the desktop and the mobile, kind of the screen emulators. So tap on online store. You'll come to this particular page. What you want to do is tap on manage themes. I found that this particular step takes a couple seconds to load, so just be patient, it will load. And here it's showing that I have the debut theme. This is one of the free Shopify themes. Yes, I'm a little bit of a cheapskate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it. So tap the customize button. I'm going to tap it again. Tap it the third time. Hello, it's not really working. Okay. Oops. Oh, there. Okay. So here it goes. So finally, it loaded, and this is the home page for my Shopify theme. And basically, I can start to rearrange items, or I can customize them. And what I want to do is I want to tap on the archival genealogy charts made in the USA. So that's actually my product listings, and you can see that there's like a little, it looks like shopping tags on the left with icons. So that shows the products that you have. And the way that I have things set up is I'm using a collection called Home Page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap Change. And here are all my collections. You can see I have a whole bunch of them. I have unique gifts. I have genealogy kits. What I want is holiday genealogy gifts. So I'm going to just tap that once. And you can see the check mark moves to holiday genealogy gifts. And then I click Select if I wanted to switch to that particular collection to show up on my homepage. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's how you would do it. And then you basically would be good to go. The new collection would show up on the front page of your Shopify store. For more information on how to get the most out of Shopify, Amazon, Seller Central, other types of platforms to sell your stuff, and also to use new techniques to create great media, go to leemedia.org. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube, and you can see more of my videos and blog posts on leemedia.org. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.